channel. My name is Natalie, and today we're going to talk about my feeding station, review some products, and I will show you around my garden. The Department of Agriculture recommended not to feed the birds sometime in June. We have a disease that makes the birds high crusty and they develop neurological symptoms. And due to that, I guess they end up dying. That's why my bird feeders are empty.
The first product that I received is from Achy Joints Creation. It's a store on Etsy. And what I do love about them is they make bird feeders and bird houses, all kind of home and holiday decor, and also some very nice goat milk. He did send me a soap, lavender vanilla, that smells wonderful. As you can see, it is beautiful and it smells so good. I would definitely use that soap. So I'm pretty excited to try it. I've been waiting because I wanted to make my video to use it. So tonight, that's for sure, I'm going to be using another product that I will send is this bird feeder for the Oriole. It's very nicely made. You can remove the cup. It's a plastic cup, very easy to remove, put back, clean. It has a nice nail here to put your fruit. In the back of it, as you can see, has a hook to hang it. So if you want to put it on a tree or a bird feeder station, it's going to be very nice. I look forward to hang that in a little bit. My next product is from Richwood Workshop, and I'm pretty excited about that one. This store is also on Etsy, so if you need to look for his product, but here's his business card. What he sent me is this chickadee food feeder for the birds. It's very nicely made, a nice quality chain, and it has double perch, as you can see. And the way he designed it is you can just remove this nail, put it through your fruit like an apple, just put through it and you hang it. And I just think they're so lovely. He has all kind of different type of birds that he designed. They're just beautiful. I think it's a gorgeous bird feeder also. I'm pretty excited, so I will hang that in a little bit. Product is from Elstrom Carpenters LLC. They are also on Etsy, and you can look at the link below my video for all the items I'm showing today. But this product, I think it's exquisite. It has a different design. As you can see, it's well built. It has the hangout device with the screw included, and I just think it's so different. I really like his design. It's made out of cedar, and I think it's very beautiful. Her items are wonderful. She recycles all kind of things to make bird feeders and different items. They're really good gifts. Let me show you what she sent me. This item is really different. I really love the attention to details, from the porcelain teacup that she uses to the little even charm that she hangs here for you. And it's just so beautiful. As you can see, the hooks is beautiful. It has an awesome chain. I really look forward to hang this and start putting some bird feed in there because I think it's so beautiful. The other product that I was sent is this beautiful recycled glass hummingbird feeder, and I just think it's beautiful. It has a copper swirl to hang it up. It has a little charm here, as you can see. It's just the attention detail is so cute, and it'll be very easy to maintain. You just open it, fill it up, clean it up, and you're ready to go. So I do have a hook to hang it on, and I'm pretty excited to hang this one on. Hand sanitizer that she does make, and it smells really, really good. She also sent me with the hummingbird feeder. I just realized that this is actually the nectar sugar ready to be made with the instruction on it. It is so cute. I think this is very amazing. So I'm pretty impressed with that. Also, there is a sample of bird seeds to put with the little teacup, so I will definitely use that. Here we go, it's all done, and I look forward to put my bird seeds and all my fruits and my jelly and start feeding my birds again. It should be in the next few weeks. Don't forget to go and look on the Etsy store and on my links below for all those items, and let me show you how they turn out. All right, I think it's very pretty, very elegant. And the other one, I did have a copper hook over here, so what I did is I just hung this hummingbird feeder. I think it's beautiful. I put here the chickadee feeder. It's hung over here. I think it looks great. I look forward to put an apple on that. Here's my other one. I put it here. That one is made from recycled pallets. I think it's beautiful. It's gonna be very nice. And I hung this one. I decided instead of hanging it the way it was meant to be, to hang it sideways, because I want to see the bird eating from my deck. So the way to do that, I had the feeling I would not see as well, so this is what I did, and I think it looks fabulous. Thank you very much for everything, for the sponsors. You are my first sponsors on my channel, and I'm very excited. Here's an update on my vegetable garden. It is peak season right now. It is hot here. I think it's about 95 today, and I just thought I would give you an update. As you can see, my tomato are way above the 8-foot pole. It is way tall. My beans are almost finished. They're I think it's a must is a mini shed, and my father-in-law made that for me many years ago, and I really love it. I use, some of my supplies, extra things that's not organized, but that gives you an idea. And I think it's nice. I just, usually I keep gloves, some tools and different things, and I think it's very cute, very handy, and it's mounted on my deck right now. Thank you for looking at my video today, and I hope you liked and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.